Greetings, folks. Welcome. One of the most useful skills an economist can master is how to analyze data. In today's world, data are everywhere. Businesses collect and analyze data. Government agencies collect and analyze data. And even sports teams collect and analyze data. We have data about people, firms, industries, and even entire countries. Sometimes we collect primary data using surveys or just our own observation of the world around us. And other times we analyze data that were collected by others. We can find data in paper records, and there's lots of electronic data available online. Data sets often take one of two forms. We can use cross-sectional data or time series data. Cross-sectional data has information on different elements at roughly the same point in time, where an element is the entity on which we're collecting data. An element could be a business, could be a person, it could be a country, a sports team, or really anything. And the information that we have for an individual element is called an observation. Examples of cross-sectional data could be how much money different students spend on food in a given semester, the number of home runs hit by different players in a baseball season, or the annual income of lots of different households, say in Ohio. It's often useful to think of a cross-sectional data as a table or a matrix, where the rows represent the observations and the columns represent the variables, which are the characteristics of interest. Here's an example of a table of data with 9 observations and 4 variables. The 9 observations are NFL quarterbacks, and the 4 variables are passing yards, touchdowns, interceptions, and quarterback rating during the 2019 NFL football season. Here's another example of cross-sectional data showing the sellout times for different items sold on the Supreme website. This information is from week 3 of the spring-summer 2020 season. A second way that information is organized is time series data. Time series data has information on the same element at different points in time. Examples of time series data could be the number of home runs hit by players on the Cincinnati Reds per season, say over a 20-year period, annual median income in California over a 50-year period, or the amount of monthly rainfall in Denver, Colorado. Here's some data showing Tom Brady's statistics over a 5-year period. In 4 of the 5 seasons, Brady had more than 4,000 yards passing and fewer than 10 interceptions. That's why he's the GOAT. Finally, here's a figure of time series data that shows monthly restaurant sales in Bar Harbor, Maine. Bar Harbor is located on Mount Desert Island, and it's a gateway community to Acadia National Park. The figure shows very high levels of seasonality, where sales spike during the summer months when there are lots of visitors to Acadia National Park.